Hi there, welcome to this quick little tutorial in JumpRope on how to create units that are common to multiple sections. From what I can understand so far in JumpRope, creating units is a way of kind of organizing assignments and such inside of JumpRope. I don't think it has any there's no aspect of the unit creation that winds up getting reported outward, but it's kind of like it's a way to kind of keep, as I said, keep assignments organized. So we're going to create a unit um, for my AP biology classes. So I'll go to here to plan. Let me just show you that again. I was at the dashboard. Just click on plan. You see here for my AP Physics, I haven't added any standards, but if I go to this drop-down menu and pick one of my AP Biology sections, you see there's a 243001 and 002. There are two sections of this. I'll pick one, and I've done some work already, like I've got these three units that I've created, and I've got some standards that are related to AP Biology. So let's go ahead and create a new unit um, that both sections will need. Okay, so we're going to create a new unit right there. And before I give it a title, let's go here to this key step right here. You see it's identified section 1, but I can go ahead and select section 2 as well, so that whatever I create will show up in both of those two sections, which obviously is helpful. Of course, I could do all of them, but those are different courses, and it's not likely that a unit in one area would make sense for a unit in another area. Although, again, the concept of a unit can be used really differently inside of JumpRope than we might commonly refer to it as teachers. So I suppose your unit could be, I don't know, something that could transcend all of your courses, but I'm gonna use it in the more traditional way, and so I'm gonna leave it to just my two AP Bio courses. So let me just make sure that that has happened. Okay, both of them have been selected. My new unit is going to be, I don't know, let's see, I have one on physiology and one on evolution and one on, I'm flashing on what it was, but let's just make up another one. We'll call it uh, biology feedback. Okay, and I could give it a description. And units have to have start dates and end dates. So I'll just select some of those. Okay, and then I'm going to save it. You see, there's a place here to clone, which is another way of kind of taking a unit and using it again. But right up front, I've made, oops, sorry, I need to change this. I need to make it fall within the calendar here. Okay. All right. So there I've got this biology feedback unit in AP Biology Section 1. And if I go down to Section 2, you'll see that I have biology feedback as well right there. So that happens there. I can create a new unit in the section 2 and do the same thing. So here you see section 2 is created. I can create there, hit OK, and then give this a title. Maybe this is going to be, I don't know. Let's think of another topic. How about matter and energy? Okay, and give it the same due dates here, or framing dates. I'm not sure how important that is, but you've got to fill it out. So there's matter and energy in unit 2, in section 2, and matter and energy in section 1. Okay, so there, we've created a unit, and maybe in the next video what I'll show you is how to add assignments into a unit and have them show up in more than one section. But That's a way to create units across multiple sections.